Hello friends. If power steering pump buzzing, in most cases the problem may be air trapped in the systems. Its presence is determined by detached foam in the expansion tank. If it is, then you need to replace the hydraulic fluid or just bleed the systems. Power steering pump buzzing due to the low fluid level. The power steering pump howl due to fluid mismatch specification. The power steering pump is noisy. The reason is the low quality of the liquid. Noisy power steering pump, steering rack, check required. Howling power steering pump, power steering belt is loose. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.